I find it interesting that at the height of the top of the absolute peak of the medical model establishment's functions, which is the intensive care unit, they don't get any more intensive than that they're actually following the health model in order to get you well. Because nothing else is going to get you well. Otherwise, you're going to die. If they're waking you up every couple of minutes, if they're bothering you, if they're feeding you ham and cheese sandwiches, you're going to die. You're not going to be able to handle that. It's a threat. Now, once you build yourself up until you can get into the hospital, out of ICU and into the main hospital, then they'll give you a ham and cheese sandwich and kill you. Then they'll start giving you your drugs of choice. Then they'll start really messing you up. They'll start implementing medical models as much as necessary, because the goal for them is to create a patient for life. And so they're going to tell you that when you're diabetic, but don't worry about it. Just take these drugs, and you can continue to lead a normal life. Just take these drugs forever, and you can continue to lead a normal life. And I'm wondering what's normal about the life that led to the need for the drugs in the first place. Separate story. What are people trying to do in the hospital? They're trying to recover. What are people trying to do in intensive care unit? They're trying to recover. What do you do when you're sick? You try to recover. What do you do when you get hurt? You try to recover. Okay, so we use this word. And the way we recover best is exactly the way people recover in intensive care unit. You get everything you need and nothing else. And you recover better than any other way.